Welcome to Technicsy, the channel where we discuss the latest trends and news in the world of technology. I'm going to share about YouTube automation. YouTube automation refers to the use of automated tools or software to perform various tasks related to managing a YouTube channel. These tasks can range from uploading and scheduling videos to managing comments, analyzing data, and optimizing content for search engines. Some common examples of YouTube automation include 1. Content scheduling. Automated tools can help you schedule your videos for publication at specific times or dates, allowing you to publish content regularly without having to be present at your computer. 2. Video optimization. Tools can analyze your videos and suggest ways to improve them for search engines, such as optimizing titles, tags, and descriptions. 3. Comment moderation. Automated tools can filter comments based on keywords and automatically remove or flag comments that contain inappropriate language or spam. 4. Analytics. Automated tools can provide detailed analytics on your channel, such as audience demographics, viewer engagement, and video performance, helping you to make data-driven decisions for your content strategy. 5. Marketing and promotion. Automated tools can help you promote your videos on social media platforms or through email campaigns, increasing your reach and visibility. However, it's important to note that while automation can be a useful tool for managing a YouTube channel, it's not a substitute for the creativity and authenticity that make successful YouTube channels stand out. Ultimately, the success of a channel depends on the quality and value of the content, as well as the engagement and connection with the audience. The best tool for YouTube automation. There are many tools available for YouTube automation, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. Here are a few popular options. 1. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that helps with video optimization, channel management, and audience growth. It offers features such as keyword research, A/B testing, comment filtering, and promotion tools. 2. Vidicue. Vidicue is another browser extension that provides video optimization tools, including keyword research, video analytics, and competitor analysis. It also offers features such as tag suggestions, thumbnail optimization, and social media promotion. 3. Hootsuite. Hootsuite is a social media management platform that can be used for YouTube automation, as well as other social media platforms. It offers features such as scheduling posts, monitoring comments and mentions, and analyzing performance metrics. 4. SocialPilot. SocialPilot is another social media management tool that can be used for YouTube automation. It offers features such as scheduling videos, managing comments, and tracking analytics. 5. Agarifals. Agarifals is a social media management and CRM tool that can also be used for YouTube automation. It offers features such as content scheduling, comment moderation, and social listening. Ultimately, the best tool for YouTube automation will depend on your specific needs and budget. It's a good idea to research and compare different options before choosing one that's right for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel.